We often get the question of, can I handle my own divorce? The answer technically is yes. In the state of Georgia, it does not require a lawyer in order to get a divorce. But there are several important considerations. Number one, how complex is your particular situation? Are there children involved? Do you have marital assets? Do you have marital debt? Is there a family business involved? All of those questions actually make the divorce more complicated. And if your answer is yes, that you do have a family business and there's going to be a disagreement with respect to the children, then I would caution you with respect to handling it yourself. Many divorces are quite simple. If the parties have already worked out how they're going to resolve the marriage, it becomes a matter of paperwork and some assistance in being guided through the court process. That's probably something that you can do on your own. If you want to handle your divorce on your own, the first step is you got to file. And in the state of Georgia, divorces are filed in the county where both parties live. Or if your spouse has moved to another county, you then have to divorce your spouse in the county that he or she has moved to. The first step is to go to the courthouse and actually file a petition for divorce. The second step, you got to serve your spouse. And you can't do it yourself. The sheriff must walk out or a private process server and hand them a copy of the action. That gets the divorce started. After that, there's a process of parenting classes. If you have children, there's a process of discovery in terms of getting documents from each other. And also there's a series of hearings. I would caution any non-lawyer with respect to discovery and hearings and things of that nature, because the court will expect you to know the rules of law, the rules of evidence, and they will treat you as such. If you have worked out the issues beforehand and you simply need to get a settlement agreement, file the divorce in the proper county, as I described earlier, attach the settlement agreement, and the courts can help guide you through that. If you haven't worked it out and it's going to be a contested divorce, I would recommend that you get counsel.